And some final controls in the oscillator section then. On the display here, at the top, you'll notice we have a bar. And this is a couple of filters, high pass and low pass. So if I drag the bottom handle here, this is the high pass or low cut, so it will remove the bass frequencies as I drag it to the right. And it works the other way, dragging the other handle, so we cut out the high frequencies. So really useful filters there. And then there's some other parameters down at the bottom. There's an extra level or gain control here should you need it. And then perhaps less commonly sought after phase control, where you can set an exact point through the waveform with which to start. A bit like a sample, but remember this is a very short or very brief waveform, so you're unlikely to hear a difference. But if I click and drag here, so the green line appears, I can then actually drag on the display to set a particular point with which to start. Like I said, quite hard to hear a difference there. If I drag down now, set it back to random. And lastly, there's a fade control in the end, but you're unlikely to want to change that. This is just a default fade that every waveform has to stop it having clicks. But if you're still getting clicks, you might want to increase this slightly just to remove those. And then there's an invert on the end, should you need that just to invert the waveform.